Despite Cyclone Remal weakening into a deep depression, the aftermath was felt across northeast India, where there have been very heavy rainfall since yesterday evening across the states of Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, as well as Tripura and other parts like Manipur. In fact, there has been a red alert for larger parts of northeast, and the aftermath, the effects of the cyclone were felt very heavily since this morning across the region. In Mizoram, there have been at least 10 people who have died after a stone quarry collapsed. In fact, what authorities are telling us, that search and rescue operation continues, so the death toll might actually increase there. Also, 2 people have been rescued from there. In Mizoram, the schools have been shut down, the government offices have also been shut down, and what is important to note, that only emergency services are being operated in Mizoram. What is also important is that no flights could take off or land at the Legpoi airport, the only airport in Mizoram. In Assam, at least 2 people have died and 17 others are injured. This includes a student who died after the 3-wheeler in which he was traveling to school actually met an accident when a big tree like this one fell on the 3-wheeler. In a similar incident, at least 12 people who are students have sustained injuries when a tree fell in the bus which they were being taken to school in a school bus. This happened in Dhekiyajuli in Sonitpur district, whereas the student died in Morigaon district. In fact, there have been severe outage of power at Guwahati and other important towns of Assam. Severe warnings of excessive rain is still there in northeast India. In fact, disruption of mobile services and internet services have also been reported from the region. Now, in Meghalaya, 1 person have died in one incident and 4 others have got serious injuries in another incident. There have been several incidents of landslides and also of waterlogging, of mudslides as well. In fact, in the state of Tripura, there have been very heavy rain yesterday. In fact, the link between southern Assam and Meghalaya have been disrupted at Sonapur in Meghalaya due to mudslide. Therefore, not only there have been loss of life, not only there have been loss of properties, but the normal day-to-day life across northeast India have been completely thrown out of gears.